Morning students, today I am going to explain you how to find out the given blanks like loss percent, profit percent. Loss and profit are depend on the CP and SP. When our CP is smaller and SP is greater, we have profit. When CP is greater, SP is smaller, it is loss. So in the question number 1, A part, CP has been given rupees 1600. SP has been given rupees 1856. After comparing this number, we can understood SP is greater. SP is greater than CP. So it is a case of profit. Hence profit. To get profit, SP should be written like this and CP is here. Then SP is 1856 minus CP 1600. Subtracting the number, 6 minus 0 it is 6, 5 minus 0 it is 5, 8 minus 6 it is 2. So our profit is 256. Now after that we have to find out profit percent. To find the profit percent, we have a formula like this way: profit multiplied by 100 divided by CP. Now what is profit? 256. Multiply the number by 100 and CP is 1600. Now cancelling the number, 10 10 20 20 has been cancelled. After that we have to divide the given number. 16 256. 16 1 is 16, it is 9 and 6. 16 times 96 will be divided. So we have 16% as profit percent. This is our one answer. Now after that I will take question number B. In the part B you can see we have given CP 2700. CP has been given rupees 2700 and profit percent has been given 8. Profit percent has been given 8%. Then we have to find out SP, but we don't know what is how much SP. So we have to find out SP. How? There is a formula: 100 plus profit percent by 100 multiplied by CP. Solving this, 100 profit percent is 8 divided by 100. First of all we have to solve under the bracket. CP is 2700. Now adding the number 108 by 100. After that write here 2700. Now we have to cancel the number, 1020 1020. Then multiply the number, 108 multiplied by 27. 7 8 is 56, 7 1 is 7, 2 8 is 16, 2 1 is 2. Adding the number 6, 11, 7 1 8 plus 1 9 and 2. After multiplying the number we have rupees 2916. It is the SP of the given question. Okay, now we have to find out another question. See question number C. SP has been given 1995. After that, profit has been given 14%. So first of all, we have to find out CP. To find out CP, we have formula 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent multiplied by SP. Apply the number on the formula. It is 100 by 100 plus 14% multiplied by SP 1995. Solving this, we have 100 and 100. 14 multiplied by 1995. So dividing the number 1141995, how much it will go, we have to check. It will go one time, yes, it is 1 time 114. 9 minus 4, it is 5. 9 minus 1, it is 8. 1 minus 1, it is 0. Writing here 5. Now how many time it will go, we have to check. So 6 7 4 ja, let me check. 114 multiplied by 5, taking 6 4 ja 24, 6 1 ja 6 plus 2 7 8, 6 1 ja 6. It is a smaller number, so take another number 114 multiplied by 8. 8 4 ja 32, 8 1 ja 8, 3 11, 8 1 ja 8 plus 1 9. It is also greater number, so take another number by suitable number. 7 7 4 ja 28, 7 1 ja 7 plus 2, it is 9. 7 1 ja 7, 798. So this is a suitable number, writing here 7. So it is 798. 798. 15 minus 8, it is 7. 14 minus 9, it is 5. Placing decimal, writing here 0. How many time it will go? 5. 5 4 ja 20, 5 1 ja 5, 6 7 and 5 1 ja 5. Now dividing the number, this part and this part has been cancelled by 17.5. Now multiplying the number, 100 multiplied by 17.5. After multiplying the number, we have 750. So this is our CP. Okay, thank you student, have a nice day.